Hello everyone. We are gathered here today to celebrate the anniversary of this specific water molecule. This water molecule has been very special from the day that it was formed. Two hydrogen, one oxygen, and two polar covalent bond is all that makes up of a that it makes up of. But there are so many amazing properties to water, worth mentioning when celebrating this anniversary. Firstly, we want to say how much we admire you for how strong you are. You are always dependable and contribute with so much stability in our life. Your bonds are so strong, and this gives you a high heat capacity because you know how to hold on tight to what matters. Secondly, you have so many talents. Not only are you good at bonding with other molecules through cohesion, but you also have the amazing ability to bond with other molecules as well through adhesion. When you put your talents together for good work, you can do transpiration, which gives us so much life, and you're the reason for the trees and flowers we see around us.
Because you're so amazingly cohesive, you have this almost skin-like surface layer. You become the most beautiful droplet with your interconnectedness with your friends, making the surface of the droplet pull together, giving you a smooth and round shape. Your hydrogen bonds are beautiful, and it gives you structure, even though you're not that strong, but you have so many other capabilities that make up for it. You carry so much of life on your shoulders that it's understandable that you cannot always be strong for everyone else. We still love you. You're the reason why we humans can be in the heat and in the cold. You function as a temperature homeostasis. When you do evaporative cooling, making sure the hottest sweat evaporates, leaving the average temperature to be lower. Without this, we could not survive life on Earth. You're a friend to us humans as well. You're everything to us. And that fake friend, methane of yours, is nothing compared to you. You need so much energy to be broken. Your strong bond to your real friends, the other water molecules, make you even stronger. And the methane cannot compare to you. So little energy is needed to break methane. He's weak and he's nothing. And remember to stay close to your real friends, the other water molecules. They make you even stronger when you're close, and together you cannot be broken and boiled easily. And you will be friends for a long time. You truly are the solvent of life. Without you, we would not be able to bring everything together. So thank you and have a very happy anniversary to you.